It's a tree.
Shut your fucking mouth.
No, they gave us 7 love.
No, man, Domino about psychology, so he might use
psychology?
Yeah.
Oh!
I
didn't know that. I didn't know he's a psychologist.
Yeah, nobody know that.
I don't believe you. You're a psychologist? When? Since when? I give you some psychology right now. Sigmund Freud.
Quiet, man.
Quiet.
Say it again. Quiet.
I don't watch the game. Watch the game.
Quiet, man. I am watching the game. That's what I'm saying.
You dash your one area and dash your more. You dash your one area and dash your more.
You remembering all of that?
Yes.
Stay focused, man. And stop playing. Stop worrying about all of that.
I'm messing that game.
Worry about these.
I'm not worried, man. Tell you watch the game.
Are you telling me about the past already?
Yes.
Why?
Remind you.
Remind me. For what?
You don't make the same mistake twice. You don't make the same mistake twice.
What was you having, man? What are you doing, man? Whose side are you on?
Me want to give them 12.
I want to give them 18.
You let them get away with something the other day.
No. We give them 10 the other day.
Are you going to get
You're playing now.
No, the one
We're not
game
living
I
in
got
the
you 5 love, man. For real.
You guys living in the past?
I want to know if you living in the past.
You don't know me I living now. You come.
I want to know if you living in the past. You tell me about that. I'll give you some past tense.
Boston.
Boston.
Leave the game alone.
That's what you gotta do, man. Step in the name of love. That's what I want you to do in life. I want you to step in the name of love.
Something to you.
What? Wait.
Leave the man alone.
You can give it to me anyway. You know what he's doing. For love. I'm gonna turn you into I'm gonna change your pampers. I'm gonna change your pampers, man. I'm gonna change your pampers. I'm gonna change your pampers right now. Remember that, right? I'm gonna change your pampers. What talk is that?
What is 4?
4 go 5? You said that the last time I got 10. I don't need no promises from you, you know?
Right,
One, man.
Yeah, I did. I've been going on for 2 games straight. What are you doing around there? You're just watching me. You're not helping. You tell me go on. Come now. You're gonna get something. That's the point.
I have something to you.
Yeah, I got something for you. I got something for you.
There's a Revenge 6 this?
Nah, man, murder.
No, not revenge.
Murder.
Intentional.
Murder was 6.
There's no revenge when you get in the
Murder was 6.
They deserve it.
Murder was 6.
They deserve it.
Murder was 6. Murder was 6. Murder was 6. Murder was 6.
Yeah?
Come man.
Shut them out and wait.
Shut up, man, and play with me.
Shut them out and play. Put him back on. So you change your domino.
You didn't change my dominoes. I don't change anything. I just change you. One more time, baby. You pass?
Let the girl say no.
Why you breathing so hard, corner?
Let the girl say no.
Much out. Come now, Zero.
Move out.
Blocking. What do you do? That's what you wanted?
Yeah.
You see us blank?
Yeah.
What's 8 got to do with me? Marcus, man.
God bless.
You understand, Domino? God bless. Huh? What y'all doing, man? Both of y'all playing to lose together. 5 love, man. You understand what I'm saying? They both playing to lose. He do, he's sick, and he do.
Come on, no, man. No.
Stay right there. Yeah.
All of us are going to
Stay right there. Watch what?
No, I'm saying champion.
They gave 6 love.
Yeah, run on the board like you're
Why you run so much?
Sit down.
Why you run so much?
You're going to 6 Let's go. Send him a 6.
You want it?
I am ready to
You know what? You know what? You know what? You don't want to tell me now.
Watch the game, brother.
Watch the game. I am I doing?
Watch the game.
Watch the game. That's all I want to see.
Alright.
Watch the game.
Alright, now watch the game. Go.
Watch the game. You're going to win. It's guaranteed victory. What's that?
You
Look at it, man. Shuffle, man.
Crazy, I didn't do that.
I think you did do that. I think.
No, I didn't look at it.
I mean, this honest like you.
Now look
I
at
know you're
Pull out, focus, man.
Stop it.
You're a player boy.
Boy, you're a big man, boy.
Because he must get lit. What do you mean we are calling
You can't call a big man boy, man. That's disrespectful. Cool water. Thank you, boy. Life is good in the hood. Yeah. Stop shaking your head back. Yeah.
I don't want to start like that.
Yeah. No, don't do that. We're not playing like that right now.
When do we do that?
Watch the game. That's all.
Don't be doing that.
Don't do that.
Don't be doing that.
Okay, we're not playing like that.
Yeah.
Not playing like that. You shaking your head. Come on, man. You know what I got. got a winning card.
Yeah, come kiss the teeth. Nobody come kiss the teeth, brother.
Sorry. I was just joking. A joke. Just joke, man. That's right. How the hell I gonna play?
Yeah.
Why you didn't play? Why you didn't play? Why you didn't play?
Pops there. You. Let's go there. Pablo. Oh. Yeah, I'm here. Yeah. Okay. Can't stop it. Can't stop it.
Send me this for them. Send me this for them.
Stop a fucking dead.
He send it for them. Right there, so. I'm running back with this.
Yes.
Baby.
Wicked fucking play. That fucking baby.
Wicked player. Touch me.
Yeah. You're fucking class.
Fucking baby.
You're not fucking class. You're not fucking class. I'm the champ. I'm the fucking champ. Fucking my fucking league, bro. Never, bro.
You can't play one more.